Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the Major Puzzle Durov for today being September 28, 2024. I will also be sharing with you the latest YouTube video short codes for today as well. Let's get into it. Like I always say, the most important thing is placing the headshot in the tiles in the correct order. The first one for today is, second one is, the third one is, and the last one is. So the correct sequence is 3, 5, 1, 7. 3, 5, 1, 7. Again, 3, 5, 1, 7. Let's check and see. So we have the 5,000 major points for today being 28th of September. An activate bonus. So please, if you find this video helpful in any way, please do subscribe to this channel, leave me your thoughts in the comment section, and turn on the notification button so that when I upload it and I post these videos, you will be the first to get them. Now let's go over to the YouTube video shot number 6 for today. The latest YouTube video shot. On that end, you click one-time task. The YouTube latest video code, YouTube Shorts number 6, hashtag 6 is 2, 4, 1, 0, 8, 6. So the latest major YouTube video short number 6 is 2, 4, 1, 0, 8, 6. Now let's confirm. So successfully got 750 major points. Thank you very much for staying with me on this one. I will see you on the next. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.